How to fix pictures disappeared from gallery on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. If you are facing these issues on your Android phone, simply head towards Settings app. Scroll down, locate apps and open it. Select App Management. Now search for Gallery, Photos or any particular the photo application, and here you need to select Photos application. Tap on Storage Uses and tap Clear Cache. Come back, tap on Force Stop button, and then you have to select Force Stop again. After that, select Permissions and make sure that you allow all the application permissions. Scroll down, and after that, you need to come back to the same settings page. Here again, you need to open Google Photos and follow the same process. Select Storage Uses and tap Clear Cache. Allow all the app permission of Google Photos. Come back and select Force Stop. Now tap Force Stop. Now restart your device. Hold down power button on your device and swipe towards restart and restart your phone. Sometimes simply restarting your device will fix those glitches and your features disappeared from gallery on Android will be fixed. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.